So guys, welcome again to this channel. This is the legend aka the Kingpin Doli in Nangurai. So I'm done with the business of Malindi Coast region. I'm now coming back to my workshop all the way to Busia County. Stay tuned and see what happens next. Ciao.
So guys, today we are doing some services on this clutch plate, clutch system. So toyo nini ndani, toyo hiyo kitu ndani yoshikio peke yake. Unaharibu maji Jolo, oshia ndani. Yenye maji mwenyewe amuleti maji alafu tena. Okay, so baada hapo unaiweka hapa chini, weka hapa kando ikauke. Then yona. Usiharibu maji ndugu yangu, usiharibu maji. Maana nyinyi tunakuwa ni vita kwenda kuletea mimi maji. Ukiinua juu hiyo kitu utaweza pata space ya kuchota maji mkono yako mzuri. Hii uko ufanye ndani, ilikuwa mwage maji hivi na unaweka chini. Mwaga maji. Sababu ulikuwa umesugua saa zile. Sasa unaingiza mkono ndani ya nini tena? Hivyo. Very nice. Weka hapo pindua hivyo kaukange. So guys, we wanna dry it up a bit for some time and then we go do the assembling of everything, because someone who did the service on it, he used the oil to make sure that the clutch works proper, but it doesn't work like that. Make sure that you don't duplicate this stuff inside that chamber of clutch disc and so on. That one doesn't need any replication. Guys, most of the time we get these things to be so challenging. Sometimes if you don't check on your release bearing on your working tractor, sometimes you get that these things they wear out by burning. Here you can see that it needs some refilling by welding. Okay, so it's not that easy to find these fingers here. They're in the market, you can't get them. So the only thing you have to do is to make sure that you always maintain the bearing. It has to be new or have to be replicated by grease daily, so that you avoid the thing of damaging the fingers for release bearing. Okay, so we're just filling them up by welding, as you can see this one here. So we just fill it up and then we do some grinding on it to make sure that it comes into a real shape. So they are always three, so we just want to fill them up and then we do the grinding. So guys, as you can see, the thing is now ready. We just want to do the assembling, so we're turning them back. We're setting them back like that. Okay, so now we are going to secure them with the locks, and then we shall see how the weight performs later on. So stay tuned. So guys, after installing the finger back, now you can see they are way tightened. They are tightened back. So this place you don't do any replication. Okay, yeah man. So after installing back the new ones, you tighten back the nuts, and also you check the bearing if it's okay. It's okay. All right, so let's meet again in the next episode on how to do the installation of this thing to the tractor. Okay, I will show you on how the way we do installation of this to the tractor, but in the meantime it was just about servicing these fingers. After servicing the fingers and then installing them back, and also washing the chamber or the entire pulley for the clutch disc. So next time we shall be doing the video on how to change the discs, where they face, and how to tighten them, and then we move forward like that. Stay tuned. This is Roti the legend, the Kingpin Don Engineer Nangurai. For more information about working tractor, reach me out through the WhatsApp account, where the number is down there at the comment section, and then we shall see what happens next. Bye bye for now. Ciao. So guys, that has been a way on how to do the clutch pulley, to do the service washing and also repairing the fingers after they burn out due to wearing of the release bearing. So we shall see what happens next after we do all the necessary thing in terms of installing them and doing what is supposed to be done. Stay tuned. Roti the legend, aka the Kingpin, the only engineer in Angurai, to feed you all information about working tractor. Look for me. Bye.